How to turn on multi-guest request on TikTok Live. First of all, you have to open up the TikTok application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now, if your TikTok account is eligible to go live, or if your TikTok account is under all the required criteria, that is your age requirement, your follower count, and community guidelines, then only you will be able to go live in TikTok. So if you are eligible for that, you can go live by tapping on the plus icon from the bottom of this interface. So from there you will have live option where I have posts or templates. So once you go live in your account, if you navigate to your bottom right corner, there you will have an option that says guest. So tap on it. After that, you will have a pop-up box in your interface that says go live together. So again, from there tap on the settings icon. So under your settings at the bottom, there is a permission setting. Under that, there you will get two toggle. One, to allow requests from viewers, and another, to allow requests from your followers only. So according to your preferences, you can choose one to turn on multi-request guests on TikTok Live. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.